All right, at a certain clothing store, customers who buy 2 shirts pay the regular price for the first shirt. So let's let R equals regular price and a discounted price for the second shirt. So let's let D equal discounted price. The store makes the same profit from the sale of 2 shirts that it makes from the sale of 1 shirt at a regular price. So let's talk about profit. Profit is revenue minus cost. Okay, so let's read that again. The store makes the same profit from the sale of 2 shirts. Well, the sale of 2 shirts, you're going to pay the regular price, but you need to back out the cost to make it profit. And then for the second shirt, they're going to pay a discounted price minus the cost to give you the profit. The store makes the same profit from the sale of 2 shirts that it makes from the sale of 1 shirt at the regular price equals the regular price minus the cost. For a customer who buys 2 shirts, which is the left-hand side of that equation, what is the discounted price of the second shirt? So I'm trying to find D. All right, so I hadn't even got to my clues yet. Let's simplify this. If I subtract R from both sides, those cancel. Add C from both sides, they cancel. I'm left with D minus C equals 0, so D equals C. So to find D, my discounted price, if I find C, I found the answer, okay? All right, so let's look at our clues. Clue 1, the regular price of each of the 2 shirts the customer buys at the clothing store is $16. Well, that only tells me about R. It doesn't tell me about D, so that doesn't work. Clue 2, the cost to the clothing store of each of the 2 shirts and the customer buys is $12. So cost equals $12, and we know D equals cost, so that would be $12. There's my answer. Clue 2 worked. Answer is B.